Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find NoveList Plus, a tool that will help you look for reading materials and reading recommendations on your own. But I'm going to show you how to find that through your local public library homepage or a local public library homepage, depending on where you are from. So I'm going to start on the Boston Public Library homepage. And first, we're going to look for where they house their online resources. And as you can see, if you go to the Books and More tab, online resources is right here under Learning and Research. And so for online resources, you're going to have a lot of options here, since Boston Public Library is a pretty big library, serves a large number of people with lots of different needs. But what we're really looking for are things about reading suggestions, which is by subject, literature, books, and reading over here in the right-hand corner. So I'm going to click Reading Suggestions. And right here in the center of the page, you'll see a whole bunch of different types of resources, but if you keep scrolling down all the way to the bottom, you'll see that reading suggestions, and here is NoveList Plus. And as I've already mentioned, Boston Public Library is not my public library, so I won't be able to log in for this, but if you are a Boston Public Library card holder, you can enter your card number and your PIN and get access to NoveList Plus here. Just to show you what this looks like when it actually gets you logged all the way in, I'm going to go to my local public library site, which is the Central Arkansas Library System. And we have all of our online research tools over here under our Learn tab and under Research. I like the tools A to Z, but you could easily look for tools by subject. And NoveList Plus is right here at the bottom under N. NoveList Plus is the one that is geared towards adults. There is a version that is geared more towards kids. But right here, I'm going to enter my library card number. Take me just a second. I don't have it handily memorized, which is unfortunate. But there you go. All right. So now I have access to NoveList Plus website. As you can see, there's a lot to look at here. Right on the home page, you can see front and center their recommended read lists, some topical, different fiction and nonfiction titles. I think they're kind of going for more of a Halloween theme right now, but you can browse by adult, teen, and different children's age groups here. So the next thing I wanted to show everybody was how to create a NoveList Plus account. And the reason you'd want to do this is because you can then save any book searches that you go through, which means that if you find a really interesting title and you don't want to have to go through the process of tracking it down every single time you visit NoveList Plus, you can have it saved somewhere. So the way to go about this is by going up to sign in. I know it doesn't say create your own account, but it will in just a minute. Once the sign in page loads, you'll see that I already have an account here. But if you do not, you can create one by going down here below the sign in button and creating your account. And here you'll just fill out all of your personal information, first name, last name, email confirmation, create a username of your choice, and then create a password that fits all of these criteria. Confirm your password, and then come up with a secret question and answer. And then once you've checked this box here, you can press continue, and it will go ahead and get you an account created. So I'm going to go back here since I already do have one and let you know what it looks like when you're actually signed in. And you'll see that right up here, you'll have a little option to update your account. And it has a little folder where you can find all of your saved searches, which, you know, if you ever wanted to print it out, they give you the option to print it or email or save it in some other format for you to remember. So you can download it and not just have it here. But anyway, those are some really basic, useful little tools and a really, really basic intro to NoveList Plus. We're going to go into more detail in the next activity. Thank you so much for listening.